Welcome to this tutorial on why use Debank MetaMask integration. Debank is a popular portfolio management platform that allows users to track and manage their cryptocurrency assets across multiple wallets and exchanges. MetaMask is a widely used digital wallet that enables users to interact with the Ethereum blockchain and other decentralized applications. To start with, let's understand the benefits of using Debank. Debank provides a comprehensive overview of your cryptocurrency portfolio, including real-time prices, transaction history, and asset allocation. It also offers advanced features such as portfolio tracking, price alerts, and transaction notifications. Now, let's discuss the benefits of integrating MetaMask with Debank. By connecting your MetaMask wallet to Debank, you can enjoy a seamless and secure way to manage your cryptocurrency assets. Debank will be able to read your MetaMask wallet data, allowing you to track your portfolio and receive real-time updates. One of the key benefits of this integration is that it enables you to monitor your MetaMask wallet balance and transaction history in one place. You can also use Debank to analyze your portfolio performance, identify trends, and make informed investment decisions. To integrate MetaMask with Debank, simply go to the Debank website, click on the Add Wallet button, and select MetaMask from the list of supported wallets. You will then be prompted to connect your MetaMask wallet to Debank using a secure authentication process. Once you have connected your MetaMask wallet to Debank, you can start tracking your portfolio and enjoying the benefits of this integration. Some best practices to keep in mind include regularly reviewing your portfolio, setting up price alerts, and using Debank's advanced features to optimize your investment strategy. In conclusion, integrating MetaMask with Debank offers a powerful way to manage your cryptocurrency assets and stay on top of your portfolio. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can enjoy a seamless and secure way to track your assets and make informed investment decisions. Remember to always prioritize security and use reputable platforms like Debank and MetaMask to protect your assets.